There's something we all do, every single night, and yet, somehow, we don't respect it. Sleep. It doesn't trend. It doesn't go viral. It doesn't make you money, but it quietly keeps you alive. We live in a world that celebrates hustle, late nights, early mornings, sleep when you're dead. But what if lack of sleep is slowly bringing that day closer? Sleep isn't just rest, it's repair. While you sleep, your brain clears out toxins. Your body repairs damaged cells. Your hormones reset. Your memory locks in everything you learned today. It's like your body goes into deep maintenance mode. And without it, things begin to break. One bad night, you feel tired. But long-term sleep deprivation? That's a different story. It can lead to poor memory and brain fog, weakened immune system, weight gain and hormonal imbalance, high blood pressure, increased risk of heart disease, anxiety, depression, burnout, and over time, even your personality begins to change. Imagine this. You're always tired. You snap at people you love. You forget things that matter. You lose motivation. Not because you're lazy, but because your body is exhausted. And it's been trying to tell you for weeks, months, even years. But here's the good news. Your body wants to heal, and sleep is your most powerful tool. What you eat matters too. Some foods help you sleep better. Bananas, rich in magnesium almonds, support muscle relaxation oats, natural melatonin support kiwi, shown to improve sleep quality, chamomile tea, calming and soothing. These are nature's gentle sleep aids. But on the other side, some things destroy your sleep. Caffeine late in the day, sugary snacks before bed, alcohol, it may make you sleepy, but disrupts deep sleep. Heavy meals at night, constant screen exposure. These quietly rob you of real rest. And sometimes, even when you try, your body still struggles. This is where supplements can help support your sleep cycle. Magnesium glycinate helps relax the body. Melatonin supports your natural sleep rhythm. Herbal blends like ashwagandha or chamomile. They're not a replacement for sleep, but they can help guide your body back into balance. At YouHaveALife, we believe in supporting your body naturally, helping you build healthy habits that last. Because sleep is not a weakness. It's not wasted time. It's where healing begins. When you sleep well, you think clearer, you feel stronger, you age slower, you live better. Sleep is your reset button, your recovery system, your silent healer. So tonight, instead of pushing through exhaustion, instead of scrolling just a little longer, choose rest, choose healing, choose yourself, because you don't just need sleep, you deserve it. If this message spoke to you, subscribe to YouHaveALife for more simple, powerful ways to live healthier. And remember, wellness isn't complicated. It's consistent.